Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Listen, we've already built the basic shape of our house, but if every wall is just one material, your model isn't quite construction ready. Let's fix that by creating composite walls in ArchiCAD. In this tutorial, I'll show you the 3 wall types available in ArchiCAD and how to create your own composite wall from scratch. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a reusable wall assembly that's ready to use throughout the rest of your project. Once you're ready, let's get started. Right, so to start, select the wall tool, then open the structure settings in the info box. Here you'll find 3 types of walls available in ArchiCAD: basic, composite, and complex profiles. So far, we've been using basic walls, which consist of only single building materials. They're great for getting your model started, but real walls are usually made up of multiple layers, such as concrete, blocks, plasters, insulation, or finishes. That's where composite walls come in. Switch the structure from basic to composite, and you'll notice that instead of selecting a single material, ArchiCAD now lets you choose from different wall assemblies. Rather than using one of the default options, let's try creating our own. To do that, open the Attributes Toolbar. Once you're done, click the composite icon, open Exterior folder, and select New. Give your composite a descriptive name. For this example, we'll call it Concrete Block with finish both sides. Right, quick pause for our architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction documents, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. And we've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects specializing in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com. All right, back to the video. By default, ArchiCAD creates the wall using a brick material. Let's replace it with concrete block. Then let's add finished layers. Click Insert Skin, then choose concrete as the finished material. Since stucco isn't included in the default ArchiCAD library, we'll use concrete as a placeholder for this. Now let's set the wall thickness. Set the concrete block to 0.15 meters, then set each finished layer to 0.025. As you make these changes, notice that the preview updates automatically, giving you a live view of the wall assembly. You'll also notice icons for wall slabs, roofs, and shells. These determine which tools can use the composite. Since we're creating a wall assembly, we'll disable the roof and shell option, so this composite is used only for walls. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save your new composite. Our custom composite wall is now ready to use. And that's it. We created our first custom composite wall, giving our project a much more realistic wall assembly. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so you get notified every time we post. We now post twice a week, so that's twice as much videos for you to watch on our channel. Also, if you're liking what you see so far, check out our ArchiCAD playlist and our How to Model a House playlist so you get to watch along as we post. Once again, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.